Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Asus Vivobook 15 laptop. This is a Windows 10 laptop. It has a 15.6 inch screen, 1080p resolution, has the i3 CPU 10th generation, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. This laptop retails for $500. You can find it in a few different stores. I bought this one at Office Depot for $320. It goes on sale often. The only problem is Office Depot doesn't have that big of a stock, so it's hard finding it in stock. Right now it's at $350. So, if you're interested in this laptop, go on Office Depot and add it to the cart, and maybe you get lucky and get it for $320 or $350, which is quite amazing price for what it has. Now let's do the unboxing and see what comes inside. This is my first time opening it, so let's see. Oh, why did Okay, here we go. So let's pull out the laptop first. I'll go over the laptop in a bit, but let's see what comes in the box. So we got the warranty information. And then we have, what is this? I believe startup or basically just some manuals that nobody reads. And so it has quite a small charger. I believe the cable should be about 5 feet, I believe, just by eyeballing it. But it has this really small laptop brick, which is quite nice. It doesn't come with that huge brick. So I really like the small ones. It came with my Samsung Chromebook that I did in the last review. Quite nice. Let's put that to the side and let's see if anything else comes with it. I don't think so. Let me just pull it out. Yep, nothing else. So we just got a couple paperworks and a charger, which is pretty much the standard for most of the laptops and Chromebooks now. All right, let's see how it looks. Let's open it up and see the screen. So this one has the TN panel, which I'm not a big fan of, but sometimes, when you buy it on sale, it's not a big deal breaker. TN panel, IPS. I prefer IPS personally, but TN panels are quite nice too. So let's see the inside. It has this pretty big keyboard with the number pads, which is quite a nice touch. Not many laptops have those anymore. And then it has, this one also has the HDMI, which is one of the reasons I bought it. Sometimes when I want to connect it to the TV, it makes it a breeze. And as you guys can see, it has a fingerprint scanner. It has a pretty nice touchpad. Nice size to it. Keyboard is, I can already tell it's pretty clicky. And then on top, let me put it down. You can see the camera and there's microphones and I'm not sure what else is there. I'll have to do the whole review and then I'll tell you guys more about it. But on the left side we have the USB 2.0 and actually two USB 2.0s, and it has the light for charging, and I don't know what this is. I'll have to see that later when I do the review. Some kind of light, probably the hard drive light. And then we have the SD memory slot, and then this is the, I'm not sure. Oh, this is the headphone jack, and then we have the USB-C, which from the reviews you can charge it on the USB-C. And then we have the HDMI port, and then we have USB 3.0 super speed port. So it comes with the two USB 2.0s and one USB 3.0 and one USB-C. But the HDMI is quite a nice touch. There's the laptops and Chromebooks that come with them. So it's one of those things, when you need it, you don't have it, but when you have it, you don't need it. So, and this is the charging port. It has this really thin bezels on the sides, on top, even the bottom ones. The screen does look very beautiful when you have those really small bezels. I just finished with the setup. My first impressions on when the laptop is on, the touchpad is a bit too sensitive. I'm not liking it right now. I'm gonna have to do some adjustments, change the sensitivity. It's just a little bit too sensitive, too flunky. But yeah, that's my first impression. Love the keyboard, the backlit, pretty amazing. It boots up really fast. It's really nice. You know, if you're gonna get a laptop, make sure it has SSD storage, because that's just amazing. You know, you don't want to wait 2 minutes for the laptop to boot up. Forgot to mention, this laptop actually runs in Windows 10 S mode, which is kind of similar, a little bit, you know, easier if you just plan on browsing, watching videos and stuff. But if you want to switch it to the Windows 10 home mode, it's very simple, but you gotta keep in mind, once you switch, you can go back. This is how you do it. You just, you know, do the start, you go to settings, then you're gonna go to updates and security. Then you're gonna do activation, and as you guys can see here, it says switch to Windows 10 home. So let's do that. Now we're just gonna go to the store, and we're just gonna do, it's free, so you know, once you click this, you won't be able to go back to the S mode. And we just press that. Now it says working on it, so it should be pretty fast. There we go. It says you have switched out of Aspen, now can install apps from the outside the store. I'm gonna do the actual review in about a week or two. I like to use it a lot, test everything, and you know, then I'll give you guys my honest opinion about it. So please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.